Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. And so I saw this Nigerian recipe and I said let me give it a try. They call it concoction rice. Concoction rice. So I watch a lot of Nigerian recipes on this, and today we are going to give it a try. Please do subscribe for me, like and share this video, and leave a comment as well. Okay, so I'm going to make use of tomatoes too. You can omit tomatoes, yes, onions, chili pepper, and bell pepper. Okay, so you're also going to use garlic, ginger, dawa, and my peppers, all pepper seasoning, nutmeg, salt, and curry powder. Okay, so we are also going to make use of fish powder. This is dry herrings that I grinded, and this is my smoked fish we are going to use. We're also going to make use of beef and willy. Yes, willy. And I have my rice here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop all the vegetables, and then we are going to roughly grind it together. Yes, we are going to roughly grind it. The bell pepper is optional. You can choose not to add. Okay, and so I have put in everything in my food processor, and I'm going to add garlic, ginger, and the dawa to it and roughly grind all of them. Please do subscribe. This recipe, Charlie, it has become my favorite now. Oh, hey. Okay, so I later turned it to my this grinder. Yes, the other one was not working well for me. Okay, so I have my pan on fire, and then I added my coconut oil. So I decided to use coconut oil for this, and I've poured in my grinded ingredient, that is roughly grinded ingredients. Okay, so giving it a stir, and I've also cooked my beef. Okay, I cooked the beef separately, so we'll be adding it to it so that it can get the flavor very well. This is concoction rice. Hey, I said let me give it a try. So I cannot say I watch one particular video for me to mention the person's name. No, I watch different types of videos on this, and then I said I'll come out with my own. So after letting it cook for a while, we are checking on it. I'm going to add my willy to it. The willy, I didn't cook it, so I've added, and then stirring. I'm going to add my seasoning and spices, everything to it. Yes, so please subscribe. Okay, and this is I've added how do you call it, wentia negro pepper, grinded one to it. And so my Nigerians friends here and viewers here, subscribers, please, if I'm wrong, you correct me. Okay, and so we are going to add our dried or powdered fish to it and stir it together. Okay, then I'm going to add my salt also to it. So because of the beef, I didn't add much salt, and I'm going to add my rice to it. Washed rice, yes, well washed. I'm using 1 cup, that is Ghana 1 cup, okay, of rice. Yes, and I'm going to add water to it, stir, and then cover and let it cook very well. Yes, please subscribe for me, like and share this video for me, and leave a comment. So we are checking on our rice, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. Yes, and then after we'll cover with a napkin. You can use a parchment paper, you can use kitchen towel just to cover, and then lower the fire, yes, on a medium or lower heat, and let it simmer and cook very well. So we are going to take it off and check, and our rice, concoction rice, Yes, so it's getting there. Yes, yes. Oh, Charlie, the coconut oil flavor and the beef flavor. Oh my goodness. Oh la la. So I'm adding my smoked fish to it, and I'm going to stir everything together. Then I will sprinkle my onions, chopped onions on it, and then cover and then allow it for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready, Charlie. Okay, so our concoction rice, it is ready. Oh, it is ready. The taste of dawa dawa plus the coconut oil and plus the beef flavor and taste, Charlie. It was awesome. Oh my goodness. And so our concussion rice is ready. And I must say, I really, 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 really enjoyed this. Oh, this is so, so, so nice. I'm glad I tried it and I'm going to do it more and more again. And so you too give it a try and you're going to love it. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for me, like this video for me, and leave a comment as well. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.